Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, and abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical illness is actually plaguing us at an all-time high, all at the age of an all-time low. I urge you to please take care of yourself, treat right, eat right. But I'm here to fix that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But first, let me give you your word of the day, which is release. We all are fighting a battle. What are you fighting against right now? Let certain things go. Certain fights are not willing to wasting the time, the effort. Holding on sometimes hurts even worse than actually letting go. Letting go allows you to actually release and actually allows you to heal. And the most powerful thing that you can do down here is forgive and heal, move on, and evolve with yourself. I stopped fighting my fears and the hardships of life because fear fears you. Once you look at it, I guarantee it runs away. And the hardships of life that seem like obstacles, they become little speed bumps, little dirt hills that you can just walk right over. I control my thoughts and I live in the present moment. I accept each stage of life because life is all about testing. We bend, but we do not break. So when we have a test, one thing I love about you, Taurus, that you always pass the test. You may not have the greatest attitude at the moment, but you always show up, you always stand out, and you always excel. I work on what I have the power over, and I put in God's hands what I cannot change, and I trust that everything will work out for the best as it always does. Keep your faith. Remember, release the things that do not serve you, old thinking, old friends, old habits, things that don't fit into your new life because you work too hard to get here. You're working way too hard to come into your new blessings, your manifestations, your breakthroughs. Let's drop the habits that don't serve you and those that are not here for you. So please, once again, love one another. Be kind to one another. And please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. I love it, man.